Welcome to MBBS Council. We provide counseling guidance for MBBS admission through All India Counseling and State Counseling. We have released MBBS College Predictor based on last year All India rank cutoff for all rounds of counseling. You may have to update your app in Google Play Store to get this College Predictor. Before talking about that, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get latest MBBS counseling updates. Predicting college based on the NEET score gives very less accuracy. After the NEET 2020 results are announced, you will get your NEET score as well as your All India rank. During choice filling, you want to know which are all the colleges where you have chance to get and their corresponding tuition fees, location of the college, quality of the college, and clinical experience. We have come up with MBBS College Predictor, which will predict colleges for you based on the last year All India rank cutoff for All India quota, state quota, management quota, open quota, and NRI quota. The tuition fees varies from college to college. For All India quota, the tuition fees ranges between rupees 1,350 per year and rupees 5.5 lakhs per year. When you are doing choice filling for All India quota, you need to be very careful about the tuition fees. We have state quota cutoff details for 18 Indian states. The tuition fees for state quota ranges between rupees 10,000 and rupees 17 lakhs per year. Andhra Pradesh private medical colleges records the lowest state quota tuition fees, and 3 private colleges in Karnataka records the highest state quota fees. Then comes the management quota seats in private medical colleges. The tuition fees here ranges between 6 lakhs per year and rupees 17 lakhs per year. Some management quota seats in many states are available for other state students, which are also called as open quota seats. The lowest fees, rupees 6 lakhs per year, is for Kerala private medical colleges, and the highest is for Karnataka private medical colleges. If your All India rank is not enough for All India quota or state quota, then you have to check your chances in open quota seats in other states before checking your own state management quota seats. MNQ denotes management quota in deemed universities. Tuition fees for deemed university medical colleges ranges between rupees 11.5 lakhs per year and rupees 26 lakhs per year. Tuition fees for deemed university is higher because of the medical education quality as well as the clinical experience. Except 1 or 2 deemed university medical colleges, all other colleges have close to 20 PG courses and more than 1,500 patients visit the hospital every day. Kasturba Deemed University Medical College cutoff last year was 570, close to All India quota cutoff for government medical colleges. Apart from these, all private medical colleges, including deemed university colleges, have 15% seats reserved under NRI quota. If you are NRI and have qualifying NEET score, then you can get NRI quota seats, because there are very few students who appear in NEET exam under the NRI category. MBBS admission counseling happens in multiple rounds. Students generally appear for All India quota counseling as well as 1 or more state counseling. So when they get better quality college, they vacate the seats. These vacant seats are filled in the subsequent rounds of counseling. So the cutoff decreases in subsequent rounds of counseling. Round 2 cutoff will be lower than round 1 cutoff. Round 3 cutoff will be lower than round 2 cutoff, and so on. In general, most of the states conduct 3 rounds of counseling. You should consider round 2 cutoff as the last year cutoff because vacancy after round 2 will be very less, as many students would have completed their joining formalities in their allotted medical college. Because there is penalty if you do not join the allotted college in round 2. The Medical College Predictor is available in the home screen of the MBBS Council Android app. You have to first select which quota you want to predict. You can search for All India quota, state quota, management quota, open management quota in deemed universities, and NRI quota. Then you have to select the round. Based on the round you are participating, you can select the round. After the NEET results are announced, you should select round 1 to predict the colleges you have chance to get based on the round 1 cutoff results. After selecting the quota and round, you should enter your All India rank as well as the NEET score. Click Predict Colleges button to get the college list for your All India rank. The College Predictor works based on the details you have given during the MBBS Council app registration. You would have given your state as well as your reservation category. If your registration details are not correct, then you would not get the correct results. You can check those details by clicking the Settings button and selecting the General menu. If there is any discrepancy, you may have to register again. You will get list of colleges after clicking the Predict Colleges button. If you get empty results, then try in some other quota if tuition fees is affordable for that particular quota. If you are on a premium subscription plan in MBBS Council app, you will be able to see all the colleges in which you have chance to get. Otherwise, you will see 25 or 10 or 5 best colleges for your NEET score, depending on the quota you are selecting. The college result contains the state in which the college is located, type of the medical college, whether it is government or private, counseling round, quota and reservation category. Apart from that, you will also find the All India rank cutoff and state rank cutoff for that college if applicable. Kindly note that you will be able to predict colleges only 5 times. After that, it will be locked. So, if your friends want to predict colleges, ask them to install MBBS Council app and specify their details correctly in order to get correct results. The details given here in this list may not be sufficient for you to do the choice filling. You may want to know the tuition fees of the college. You have to simply click the college to see the details. It will take you to the college details page for that particular medical college. Here you can find tuition fees as well as the key factors such as average patient flow, total beds, PG courses conducted, etc. This information will help you during choice filling to put the best colleges on top of your preference list. If you are interested to know about the government college counseling procedure and best choice filling strategy to get best medical college for your NEET score, you can watch counseling video lecture available under counseling courses menu of MBBS Council app. After watching this video, if you have any questions, you can ask them under the Q&A section of the MBBS Council website. Our team will answer your questions when they find free time. You can also join MBBS Counseling Telegram group to discuss with other parents who are looking for government quota MBBS admission either through All India quota or state quota. This brings us to the end of the video. If you like this video, please cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. See you in the next video.